Hey everybody, it's me Awista Anwar, and in today's lesson we'll be doing the question and answers of unit number 8, Saving Resources, based on the One Nation One Curriculum, Grade 3 English Language. So let's start. Reading and critical thinking. Answer the following questions. How can we avoid wasting water? Write 2 points to save electricity. What is paper made of? How is environmental pollution caused? How can we avoid wasting water? We must check water leakages in the house and school, not waste water by taking long showers, turn off tap while brushing teeth or washing hands, water the plants only when needed. What is paper made of? Paper is made out of trees. Write 2 points to save electricity. Turn off unnecessary lights, use natural light. How is environmental pollution caused? The main cause of air pollution is the burning of fossil fuels. Harmful gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. are released into the atmosphere due to incomplete combustion of fossil fuels, which pollutes the air. So that's it for today's lesson, everybody. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and also make sure to share it with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.